So here we are, another Sunday fun day. It's September now, so it's been a few months since we started the project here. But today, we're gonna get the funk out of the car. Because after finding that mouse nest, that was pretty disgusting. So, what I've done, pulled seats out of the car. And the car is going to get cleaned. So, look, and here comes my first helper for the day. That's the seat.
Seat?
Yeah.
Why you took it out of the car?
Because remember it stunk in there? It smelled really bad.
What?
The inside of the car, remember it stunk?
Yeah.
Yeah. You say hi. Say hi, people. All right.
Hi, people. Hi,
right.
Poopy. Hi, Poopy.
All right. Say bye, people.
Bye, people.
All right.
And bye, Poopy.
All right. Bye, Poopy. Okay. What is it with kids and poop anyway? Poop emojis, poop everything. Poop in here, by the way. A lot of mouse poop. It's going to be defunct today. I'm done. So I'll update it here in a couple minutes. I'm going to pull it over the curb, get the garden hose in here, and trusty awesome bleach. Gotta have it. All right, checking to you in a couple minutes or half hour, whatever. See. Well, here we are, cleaning out the car. You know, there's only one way to do it. You get a helper. Hi, helper.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning out this.
You are. You think by watering the car it might get bigger? Like grow like a garden?
No.
No, not so much. Probably not. But it will. It smells a lot better in here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't smell like mice or cats or whatever else was living in here. So.
Even like here, when I stepped on it, it's kind of wiggly.
Yeah, we got a little floor issue there. Got one over here on the driver's side too. Here, show me the driver's side.
Right there.
Right there.
Even a hole over there.
Yeah.
Even a hole.
Yeah.
Even when Daddy was cleaning this out, it just fell out.
Yeah. Well, that's supposed to do that. That's supposed to actually help us drain the water out of the car. But yeah, back here was where the mouse nest was, and the mouse carcass and everything else disgusting. But yeah, it looks good, smells good, and next.
It doesn't smell good yet.
Oh, it smells better.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, we'll get it over to the shop sometime and sand the floor. It's a pure 15 in this thing because that's exactly what it needs. Paint the floor, get some, I don't know, something down, and then some new carpet, and I think it'll be fine after I do the floor patches. So, all right. Well, say see you later.
See you later.
All right. He's going to keep doing that until I tell him to stop because he wants to. All right. We'll see you. Have a good weekend. Bye.